Hello, viewers. My name is Mr. Adebanjo, and I want to welcome you to today's teaching on set theory. Set theory is the topic we are going to be talking about in this series. And what is set? Of course, students of the student will say that they cannot be asked what is set in an examination, but the understanding of set can help us. It can help us really understand this topic. So when you are collecting some data or objects, you are collecting a well-defined object. That means you are talking about sets. That is, set is the collection of well-defined object. That is, you know the object you are collecting. You know what you are collecting. I'm collecting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a well-defined object. I'm collecting. You can see this the diagram you're having on the screen right now. You're having a circle. Inside the circle, you're having some shapes inside the circle now. That means you are collecting a well-defined object. So, and that is what set is talking about. That when you are collecting any well-defined object, group of names, name of persons, dogs. I'm collecting name of dogs. I'm collecting cities, name of a city, name of governors in Nigeria. I'm collecting those names. That I'm talking. I'm still talking about set. So, set is the collection of a well-defined object. Object you can define. You know them, and when you collect them together, that means we're talking about set. So usually we use capital letters in alphabet to denote the name of a set. We can name our set A, set B, set C, set Z, set Y, and so on. You can use capital letters to denote to name a particular set. Why in any set there must be a member of a particular set, that is the children of a particular set, that is all the elements you have collected, all the objects you have collected, you name it, give it a name, then those objects you have collected is the element of that set. So we use small letters to represent the element of a particular set, or we write 1, 2, 3 numerical values as the element of a particular set. That is when I have set A now, and what we use curly bracket. This bracket is called curly bracket to represent to enclose the element of a particular set. We use curly bracket to enclose the element of a set. So we don't use any other bracket aside from curly bracket in set. You know, we have different types of brackets. We have curve bracket, square bracket, and the rest. But when it comes to set, we only use the only set bracket that is allowed is curly bracket, this type of bracket, and we use curly bracket to enclose the elements of a particular set. Let's say I have set A now will be equals to this element of this set. I can say that set A has this element, set B has this element. So we use capital letters to represent the to name a particular set. Then we enclose the element of that particular set in a curly bracket. Example of a set is what you're having here. You're having set A having this following element 1 to 12. You can see that we use capital letter A to represent the name of the set. Then element in it is enclosed in a curly bracket. You have set P having A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I as the element in that set. You have set Q having ball as one of the elements, mango, pen, biscuit, and book as the element in that set Q. You have set K having element I, J, K, L, M, N, 6, 7, and 9 as the element in that set what? Set K. You have set X having all even numbers from 1 to 10, so 1 to 20 rather. That is, this set X asks even number from 1 to 20 as the element in it. And then you can start saying, listing that out, those elements out. Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. So from 1 to what? To 20. That means I have 2, I have 4, I have 6, I have 8, 10, I have 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 as the element in this set X. Then set T, all teachers in Ifako Comprehensive Senior High School, all teachers in Ifako Comprehensive Senior High School as the element in that set T. So this is how to name a set, and this is how to enclose